Hello, I'm going to be showing one method that we can use in the platform through a design change process. So in this scenario, I'm going to be acting as an engineer on this foot peg assembly project, and later you'll see that Andres is going to be acting as the project manager. So I have an existing project, and I have the Gantt chart pulled up. The red line represents today, so everything in gray has already been completed, and everything in blue over here is what has to be done. So next up we have to refine the CAD model. So I can view a bunch of details about this task, but I'm going to focus on assigning this task to myself, so that gives me responsibility for it. Now, as for actually getting the CAD files to edit, I can do that a few different ways. The first way is to search within the platform itself, and then I can use these filters over here to easily find it. So it's going to open 3D Drive, which is the online storage device that the platform uses, and you can see I have all of my files here. So I could actually open directly from within the platform. The other way is through File Explorer. I can link that directly to 3D Drive and it will stay updated, so I could just double click on that. The last way is actually within SOLIDWORKS itself. There is a 3DEXPERIENCE add-in, and within there I can go ahead and drag and drop the file into SOLIDWORKS. Alright, now that I have the CAD data in here, I'm going to go ahead and make the appropriate changes. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make a quick and obvious change to the appearance of this part. Save it here, and save it on the top level as well. So the changes will populate into 3D Drive, and as you can see, this notification popped up within my 3DEXPERIENCE add-in. So it looks like Andres, the project manager, has sent me a private message. So if I were to click on that, it would launch the private message and I could respond to him directly from within SOLIDWORKS. So now I'm back in the platform on my web browser, and I'm ready to communicate my changes that I've made to the engineering team. So I'll take my file from 3D Drive and drop it into 3D Play, which will allow me to make notes to the model and post it to my engineering community. So I will go ahead and mark this, add a note specifying what I did, Alright, and now I'm ready to post this to a community. So I'm going to give it a title of something like Changes to Foot Peg Assembly. For the description, I'll say see screenshot. Is this correct? Publish. Alright, so I'm notifying the team in this community that I've made this change and I want to make sure that everyone is on the same page. So here's the post that I've just added to that community. Only certain members are invited to this specific community, but you can see I'm involved in many others that have other groups of people in them. So what I can do now is I can actually tag Andres, who is the project manager, and I can specifically ask him if he can confirm this, and can we move on to the next task? Alright, so I'll send that, and now he will actually receive a notification of the comment that I've written. So now I'm actually logged into the platform acting as Andres, the project manager, and as you can see, he has a notification waiting for him. And this notification is letting him know that Abigail has mentioned him in a comment. So it will take us to that comment, and you can see this is where he is tagged, and he can actually reply directly to her right here and say looks good. I'll go ahead and mark task as complete. Alright, so now we can go into the project, and this is the task that I have been working on. Since Andres is a part of this project, he can also modify the items. And we can write a comment on this task specifying what has been done. So, appearance of foot pad, change to rubber. Alright, so now we kind of have a comment history on the task itself as well. And then I can go ahead and move that into the completed phase. So this is just one of many ways that you can use the platform to better organize your design changes.